Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul, and today I'm going to review an amazing product which is necessary for you guys, YouTuber, vloggers, or go live stream, etc. And look at this, you have this long wide microphone, 6 meters microphone. This one is Boya M1 and is familiar to everyone, and the good sound quality also. However, we have some trouble with this one. Is inconvenient for you to move around, and it's restrict the motion during when you record the video. And the second thing is that this wide microphone is limited to one speaker only, right? So what happens if you need two microphones for two speakers? And it's time to think about a new solution for you. I think the wireless microphone. And what wireless microphone is suitable for you? So I think one of the most famous brands you may know is Rode. However, it's not affordable for everyone. It costs around $250. And today I would like to introduce another alternative for everyone. Is Thiết, but the quality is very acceptable. I think very acceptable from my point of view. And today I want to talk about the SK750. SK750. The cost is around 35 to 50 US dollar, around that. And okay, so this microphone, wireless microphone, can be used for the mobile phone, for camera, and of course you can use for live stream also. And for live stream, for mobile phone, you can share some instruction video about how to use. Today I just want to explain how to use the wireless microphone SK750 for the camera, and how to use another separate microphone attached to the wireless microphone. So I do this video, I make this video because I try to search some instruction on the internet, but it's not quite available. Okay, so now what do we have with the packet of SK750? So SK750, look at this SK750, look at it, you can see, right? Okay, so what inside the box? So we have one receiver. This one is to receive the signals from the microphone. Okay, one receiver, and we have two transmitter, or you can say the two microphones. So it can be used for two speakers at the same times. Okay. And also, in addition, we many accessories are provided by the manufacturer. So one cable for mobile phone. This one for mobile phone, and another one is for camera. This one is for camera. Okay, we have two black rings. Okay, and also you have some windshields. We have two windshields. This one to filter the noise. You can use this for the microphone. This one like this. Okay, you can clamp the windshield into the microphone. Okay. Okay, so that is the package. So now how to use the wireless microphone SK750 for the camera. So now firstly you choose you take one cable. This cable is for camera. Okay, this cable, and one head of the cable you plug in this area. Sorry. The receiver, so be the receiver. Okay, this one is the receiver. Okay, and one head of the cable you plug in here. You can see. Okay, you can see. Okay, you plug in here. Okay. And another now you should turn on first. Turn on. You turn on. Okay, so now you turn on the receiver. Okay. And another head of the cable you plug in to the camera. Plug in to the camera. You can see this one. So you plug under the head of the cable into this one, into this hole of camera. This is the mic, camera. Okay, like this. This camera is EOS M50 of Canon. Okay, and after that you can clamp the microphone into the camera like this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, that seems to be fine now. Okay. And now you turn on the one of the microphone. Okay, you press the power on. Okay, so now the microphone is connected to the receiver already. Okay, so now you can hear my voice. So can you hear my voice? I am using the wireless microphone SK750. Can you hear the sound clearly? Can you hear the sound? Okay, so I will move far and near, move to far and near, so you can feel the sounds changes. Okay. Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So can you feel the sound? Can you feel the sound? The quality is quite good, right? It's okay. So now the microphone is connected, and the sound you can hear is the sound from the wireless microphone SK750. Okay, the next one. So now I want to use a separate lavalier microphone. So how can I use a separate microphone to connect to the wireless microphone? So you look at this one. Look at this the microphone. So now you have the lavalier microphone, right? So you can connect the head of the lavalier microphone here to plug it in. Okay, you already plug it in. So you can see it like this. Okay. Okay. So now I'm using a separate microphone. Okay. So you can do this when you want to use a smaller microphone and look more beautiful when you record the video. So it's good if you use this one. Okay. So okay, so now I move this one. Okay, so now firstly just test the sound. Can you hear the sound clearly? Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So from my point of view, the sound is quite good. However, sometimes you can hear a very small noise when you use a separate microphone. So what I mean is that using the wireless microphone is better. So you using the wireless microphone like this is better than when you connect to another separate microphone than lavalier microphone. So I'm not sure, maybe it depends on the quality of lavalier microphone, but I think using this one only will provide a better sound quality. Okay, so that's all from me today. So I already told you something about the good and affordable wireless microphone SK750, how to use this wireless microphone for camera, and how to attach another separate lavalier microphone to the wireless microphone. I hope the video is helpful to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you.